The situation view is your wall display. Every active incident, every unit, every facility on one map, meant to run for hours in an emergency operations center. A few recent fixes make it behave the way an operator actually expects. By default, the map fits itself to show every active incident. When a new call comes in, or one clears, it refits. But it does that only when the incident set changes, not on every refresh. Here is the important part. The moment you pan or zoom yourself, the map locks to your view. Watch. I zoom into one neighborhood, and when the map refreshes, it stays here. It no longer snaps back on you every few seconds. And that includes the plus and minus buttons on the map. Using them counts as your gesture, so the view holds. That used to reset. Now, it does not. When you want the map to start following incidents again, click the star button, top right. That opts you back into AutoFit and jumps to the current incidents. The site panel and the map work together. Click an incident row, and the map zooms right to that incident's location. Click that same row again, and it puts you back exactly where you were before you zoomed in. Zoom in for a closer look, click again to return. No hunting to get your wide view back. Same thing for units and for facilities. Click a unit to zoom to it, click a facility to zoom to it. It works across all three tabs. A quick note on the header badges. The units count used to flicker between a real number and 0, because a live location refresh was overriding it whenever nobody was reporting a position. That is fixed. The units badge now reflects your whole roster of units and holds steady. Last one. The layer control here now has the same per category overlay toggles as the dashboard map. Zones, parade routes, whatever markup categories you use, you can turn each one on and off right here. And each toggle remembers its own state per browser, so your wall display comes back the way you left it. That is the situation view. It holds your view, it lets you zoom in and pop right back, and it gives you the same overlay control you have everywhere else.